So this is GT16 in Huntsville, Alabama, 1991. Vendors up there, TR6 for sale. Excuse me, you win the TR6 at a raffle. We're looking at the ass end of the 1600s. And up there on top of the hill are the 1500s. They really got the field spread out. A real nice sign, not unlike ours.
Sounds good.
We got a tent here with the craft contest.
Okay? Come on, buddy.
Here we got Randy Balow. He's strictly British. Sitting here trying to sell a little pile of stuff.
Oh, that's true. And I spent time with and we went to this, geisha house. They really weird out there. It was like after hours, they call it piano bar, but it's not. You had to go in, but I don't, we don't speak English, and we had to drink this stuff. I don't know what it was. And it had like, I thought it was fried onions on the top, and kind of jellyfish legs and stuff. And, so that's what I go through to get the part for me. Right? People don't realize that, because people a lot of stuff that wasn't made for that original stuff. So now why is it
Purvis, this is for you. This is Mason's twin cam. Now you'll notice here, and of course I've embarrassed Mason to no end, because his fuse box is on upside down and his grounding straps weren't underneath the turn signal flasher. He was terribly embarrassed, of course. I'll tell you, Purvis, in
running and we expect the other store order so we and with the built in that program also will be systems to show quality and parts and stuff like that. That's right, you came with the right answer. No, I mean, very frankly, what's happening today is
I want that one, 7.
now here's a coupe set for racing. And it's a in the twin cam category, but it's got a push rod in it. It's a YM 1012. Here's Lyle's car that he almost burned up yesterday. Come on over and say hello to Mason.
Works better.
Oh, okay.
Let's put that there, but we don't.
Getting ready for the onslaught in August?
Yes, sir. Yeah. Well, really, we don't even start getting real excited about it until about the first day in August, and then I lose my cool and everything. Oh, Mason, I just took all these pictures of your car to show to Purvis, you know, so that he could see what you had. I didn't see your extra brake light down there.
Yes, sir.
Barbara.
That was required by Department of Transportation.
That's required by how many times I've been rear-ended on Washington.
Morning, Mike.
How you doing, John? Good show, huh?
Hey, nice show.
Look at the M-type here.
Whose is that?
I don't know, I've seen it before.
The word is this is Peter Thornley's, who is John Thornley's son, but I'm not sure that's correct. Peter Thornley's was in Atlanta last year.
I drive all the time, that's why.
Hey, Bill.
Hey,
Say something in Southern.
why, I don't know how to speak Southern, y'all.
Grits.
And grits.
Grits.
Did you have grits for breakfast this morning, John?
No, sir. I had an egg McMuffin. I passed on the sausage, the sausage biscuit.
I can't believe you didn't try the grits. But Bill made one comment. He said if his wasn't running, he'd like to have his here so bad. If that was his only choice, he'd trailer it here.
Yep.
But otherwise, we'd rather have them running than drive.
That's right.
A lot of trailers here. They got to be. Can't see from this perspective, but there's got to be another 8 of them over there.
Easily.
Yeah.
Easily.
Okay.